Hello everyone. So my project is about hotel aggregator analysis, and our agenda of the presentation today is: first, we will see the introduction, data information, objectives, the dashboard walkthrough, conclusion. So the project aims to conduct a comprehensive analysis of hotel aggregator listings using Power BI. Objectives include exploring trends, patterns, and factors influencing listing performance to derive actionable insights. Our objective is to analyze a dataset of hotel aggregator listings using Power BI to uncover trends, patterns, and factors that influence the performance of these listings. By leveraging the data, the project aims to create comprehensive visualizations and actionable insights that can help improve the overall quality and competitiveness of the listings. The methodology that we used here is data acquisition, exploration, cleaning, transformation, modeling, and iterative analysis. Our data looks like somehow like this. We have the ID, listing URL, scrape ID, last scraped, source, name, description, neighborhood overview, pictured URL. So we have performed geographical insights. We visualized the distribution of listings on a map to identify popular neighborhoods and explore the geographical concentration of listings and host locations. Then um, we have seen the pricing availability as well here. Then we have seen the review scores and guest satisfaction. High review scores were strongly linked to better listing performance. Specific areas for improvement, such as cleanliness and communication, were identified based on lower scoring review categories. Property and room trends. The distribution and trend analysis of property and room types provided insights into market preferences and shifts in guest demands. So, to conclude with this, the comprehensive visualization and insights derived from the dataset of valuable information for improving the quality and competitiveness of the listings. By understanding geographical trends, pricing, strategies, host performance, and guest satisfaction, both host and the aggregated platform can make informed decisions to enhance their offerings and better meet market demands. That's all about the presentation. Thank you.